Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a homemade garlic chili oil. You only need 5 ingredients. You have here your chili flakes, garlic, the more garlic the better, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, salt, bit of salt for tasting, and 1 gallon of vegetable oil. I'm joking. You only need at least 2 cups of vegetable oil. First thing first, this is the most important process on how to do this. First, put your salt on the garlic. Salt there on the garlic. Yeah. Vinegar. Get a spoon and just mix it. Mix it nice and well. Okay. Now, turn on the stove. Probably at least 2 cups. Show you that quickly. Right there. See the measurement there? So first, you're gonna heat up the oil. But make sure the oil is not very hot, or else it will burn the chili, the garlic. Yeah, when you see a little bit of smoke inside, that's the time you put your garlic first. So there you go. It's getting hot. Oil is getting hot. We don't want the oil so hot because it will burn the garlic. So when it's a bit medium hot, and that's the time we put the garlic on. It will make the garlic a bit more crispier, richer. Okay, now first, let's put the garlic. Be careful. You're putting this garlic on. Ooh, that smell. Ooh. You can smell the vinegar and garlic mixing together. So when it's brown, guys, turn off the stove. This is very important. Turn off the stove. Let it cool down a little bit, because you don't want to burn that garlic, or else it tastes bitter. So now, let's put the chili flakes. Ooh. See, the color just changed. See that, guys? We don't want to put the chili flakes when the stove is on, because it will burn it. So that, guys, is the way on how to make homemade chili oil. How nice is that? Look at the garlic. Crispy garlic. Look at the oil. Wow. Wow. So there you have it, guys. If you learned something, please don't forget to like this video, share it to your mates, and let them try your very own homemade chili garlic oil.